In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on Google Sites fast and easy. Welcome everyone. If you're new to Google Sites or just need a little extra help to navigate through its features, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of reaching out to Google Sites support in the quickest and simplest way possible. Follow along as we dive into the steps, ensuring you have a smooth experience all the way through. First, let's open up Google Sites in your preferred web browser. Simply head over to sites.google.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see any sites you have created or options to start a new one. It's always good to have your Google account logged in, as this ensures you have access to all necessary features and makes the support process smoother. Now, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see a small icon that resembles three horizontal bars, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is going to open up a drop-down menu with several different options that allow you to navigate through the Google Sites features. This menu is quite handy if you're exploring or looking to access different areas of your Google Sites account. In this drop-down menu, direct your attention to the option labeled Help. It's generally near the bottom of the menu, making it very accessible. Clicking on Help is crucial as it redirects you to the Google Sites Help Center, a resource hub where you can find answers to frequently asked questions and other user guide documentation. This can be particularly useful if you're dealing with a common issue that many users encounter. Once you're in the Help Center, you'll notice a search bar. This feature allows you to type in specific keywords related to the issue you're facing, making it easier to filter through the information and find the exact help you need. If you can't find a solution through the available resources, look for the option to contact support directly. This might include options for live chat, email, or even phone support, depending on your Google account, type, and region. And that's it. Easy, right? By following these steps, you should be able to quickly reach out to Google Sites support whenever you encounter an issue. Remember, Google Sites is designed to be intuitive and straightforward, so don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself with its various features. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. See you in the next video. Next.